Thanks for joining us in Valley News Live as we take a look at our exclusive view right there from the Dakota Magic Casino. The snow globe snow still falling down, and it's been doing this all afternoon along the South Dakota border. Some areas reported 8 inches of snow earlier. Here's a look at Victor. This is right across the South Dakota state line on I-29. One lane. You can see the taillights barely. Visibility is reduced, and that snow continues to fall quite heavily. Speaking of which, what we're looking at here is the dark blue shades, the snow that was near Minot breaking apart, so I feel less confident we'll see much in the Highway 2 corridor. But down here and in towards the I-94 corridor, Highway 10, we're seeing a little batch of snow. The heaviest is going to stay to the south. That's the good news, but we're still getting those greasy roads, as we talked about, in the FM area and out towards the Valley City area. Winter storm warning just issued by the National Weather Service, Sargent, Richland County in southeast North Dakota. I can tell you northeast South Dakota has it pretty bad too. So we got lofty snowfall reports, and in fact we appreciate your reports. You shared on our Facebook page just now that Oaks has 8 inches and it's still snowing very heavily in the Oaks area. It's starting to wrap up in Ellendale, and that 8-inch picture that we showed you of snowfall in Ellendale was as of 1:45. I'd be interested too, Mike, to see what that is now. Ludden all the way up to Oaks, still seeing moderate to heavy snow with reduced visibilities. Now this is the warning area. So that is still snowing out to the west. This county handled by the Bismarck National Weather Service office. This one handled by our Grand Forks office. So that snow, the heavy band, sets right into the Sisseton Hills in the I-29 corridor. We just showed you the video or the live shot from Hankinson, and the heavy band of snow isn't even there, and it's lofting or really producing quite a bit of snow there. At least by pictures, it looks like a solid couple of inches. This is all heading to the south and east. More in your forecast in a minute. Pick your hometown, take a look at temperatures. Generally single digits to the low teens, mid-teens in the far south. And as we take a look at those visibilities, we see the area of concern. This system is not coming with wind. It's mainly under 10 miles per hour. That's the good news. But visibilities of a quarter mile means it's heavy snow. So you can only see a quarter mile, which makes travel a little tricky. 0.8 of a mile in Wahpeton, and out near the Wheaton area under 2 miles. Again, current conditions are looking like this, and the hour by hour forecast. Heaviest snow looks to stay south, and in fact, as we go between now and 10, it will start kind of retreating and making its way into the Minnesota side of the river. Now we will have some Highway 10 snow, and it'll continue here in the Fargo-Moorhead area through 10 o'clock. So a couple of inches is pretty easily possible. The heaviest snow, though, will remain down to the south. So southern Otter Tail and Grant counties, you will have a chance at picking up several inches of snow from this system, but the farther north you go, the lower the amounts. After midnight, it is out of here. And that's when your warnings expire as well. Light winds, northerly, single-digit readings, both above and below zero with wind chills. It'll be pretty brisk first thing in the morning. Then as we go towards midday, temperatures climb, but not very much. We'll see at least a little sun out west, more clouds out to the east. Here's what happens in the afternoon. Clouds and wind build in from the west, and that wind gets gusty. And Hutch is concerned Saturday night and Sunday, about now, 24 hours from now, that fresh, flaky, fluffy powder snow is going to blow and drift and cause travel problems tomorrow night along the South Dakota border. So we'll keep you posted on that. For now, let's take a look at your forecast. Oh, there's the photo, the 8 inches. That was in the Ellendale area, again, close to 2 o'clock. Planning forecast, warmer but windy on Sunday. There could be some travel troubles in the area of snow, and there's more snow coming to the north, but it doesn't look too heavy. Hit and miss snow showers next week as we approach the Christmas holiday. Christmas Eve could bring flakes for the jolly elf himself.
Got to put on my to-do list tomorrow, get gas for the snowblower.
Good idea.
All right, thanks.